Have you ever dreamed of having fresh, filtered water and ice cubes on demand, right from your refrigerator door? It is a fantastic convenience, but it depends on one crucial element: a proper water connection. For your refrigerator's ice maker and water dispenser to function correctly and safely, you need a dedicated cold water line connection, usually a 1/4 inch in diameter, with adequate water pressure and an accessible shut-off valve. The reason these requirements are so important boils down to performance, safety, and water quality. Sufficient water pressure, typically between 20 and 120 pounds per square inch, ensures a steady flow for ice production and water dispensing without straining the internal components. Too little pressure means slow ice making and dribbling water, while too much can cause leaks or even damage to the refrigerator's water system. A durable, food-grade water line, often copper or braided stainless steel, prevents contamination and stands up to household water pressure. Lastly, an easily accessible shut-off valve is essential for maintenance, filter changes, and emergencies, allowing you to quickly cut off the water supply when needed. To prepare for your new refrigerator, first locate an existing cold water line near the appliance's intended spot. If one is not present, you will need to have a new one installed by a qualified plumber. Ensure that the water line material is approved for drinking water, such as copper or braided stainless steel, and avoid using plastic tubing unless specifically designed for potable water. Always verify your home's water pressure to make sure it falls within your refrigerator manufacturer's recommended range. Many modern refrigerators also include an internal water filter, which requires specific water pressure to operate optimally and produce clean-tasting water. Understanding these requirements helps prevent common issues like low ice production or poor water flow, ensuring your investment delivers its promised convenience. It also safeguards against potential water damage from improper installation. Meeting these water line requirements ensures your refrigerator's ice and water features operate smoothly and reliably, providing you with refreshing, clean water and plenty of ice for all your needs without any unexpected surprises.